Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Hello, looping legends. Glad to see you back at Master Cursive with Colors, the swirliest, curliest writing zone on the planet. I'm Miss Jackie, and today we are going on a review mission. There will be no new letters today, just a pangram practice of all the lowercase letters you've learned so far. This is how we level up to cursive master status. What exactly is a pangram? I'll explain that in the next segment. But first, the supplies for today's lesson. You will need one dark marker, thick or thin, and pages 45 and 46 from your Master Cursive with Color workbook. If you need to gather these supplies, pause the video and go get them. I'll wait here until you get back. Ready to rock today's lesson? Let's get rolling. Here I have the materials for today's lesson, workbook page 45 and page 46. We also have a dark chunky marker. Today I will be using red. Now you may have noticed that page 45 and page 46 have exactly the same information on them. That's okay. We're going to be practicing these twice. So with just page 45, let's take our marker and together let's get our paper prepared. Turn your paper the way you need to do that in order to write your name. And my name is Miss Jackie, and please write your name. Then it says to copy the sample and then write it blank times. We have enough space to copy the word and then write it one time. So I'm actually going to cross that little S out, because it's not one times, it's one time, being just the number one. And today our lesson is pangrams. Now what is pangram? Pangrams are a super special sentence that uses every single letter in the alphabet. They're often short, simple, and silly. So let's read this sentence together. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now that's silly, and it's short, and it's simple. Now technically it's not a real sentence because I'm not starting with a capital, and I don't have a period. And we don't have a capital T because we haven't learned that yet. So we're just going to learn these chunks of words together to help us practice the pangram writing. Now, if it's true that it's a super special sentence that uses every letter in the alphabet, let's go and look for every letter in the alphabet. Are you ready to find them with me? Okay. Where is A? Right here in the word lazy. How about B? Right here in the word brown. Now, I'm not going to say every word, but let's go and find the rest of the letters. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you might say, well, I see 2 H's and 2 or 3 E's. It's okay to have more than a letter, but you have to have every letter. And now we know the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog has every letter in the alphabet. And we are going to practice that. So take out your markers. We already have our name. We already know that we're going to write each one time. But first we're going to copy. So let's look at the word the. I have 2 tall letters and a medium-sized letter. T is a finish later letter, so I am going to go back after I make all of the letters and then cross it. So let's put our marker on the baseline and let's ramp up to the top line, back down, pull away, go back up to the top line and turn left with a loop. Touch the baseline, hop up and make a hill, and then go right up into the E for the. Pick up your marker and cross your T. The. Now we're going to write the in this space. So follow me. Up, down for the T, up to the top line, left loop, hop up to the midline, and then go right into an E. Pick up your marker and cross. The. Now we have the word quick. When I see Q, I know I'm going to turn to the right and touch the back of it. And then we have a U-I-C-K. A lot of letters here. Ready? Let's go up to 2 o'clock. Stop. Go back around. Come down below the baseline. Turn left. And then pull out and go right into the ramp up U. Once, twice. Come down. And then we're going to go right to the midline and back down and pull away. For the I, we're going to go over to 2 o'clock and back around for the C, which goes really high up into a left turning loop. Come to the baseline, pop up, give an ovally shape, close it, and then kick out. Now pick up and dot your I. Wow, that was a lot. Now let's write quick right next to it on our own. I'll let you work through that and I'll work quietly. Don't forget to turn right for your cue. There we go. So now we have the quick, or we wrote it on our own, the quick. Now we're going to do brown and fox. Let's trace brown together. Here we go. Upstroke, turn left, and we're going to make our bridge, and then we're going to point up and connect that R, and we're going to go over to 2 o'clock, back around, 12 o'clock, under. We're going to go up once, twice, 3 times. Brown has a high, W has a high connector. We're going to Humpty Dumpty right into an N. Now write the word brown on your own with me. Here we go. Nice job. Not so easy. Now we're here for the letter or the word fox. And I'm going to go up and turn right. Turn left, and then I'm going to come down here and turn right. Here is the letter F. Are you ready? Go with me. We're going to upstroke, turn left at the top line, go right through that, come below the baseline, now turn right and close it. We'll pull out our connector and go over to 2 o'clock, and then back around to 12 o'clock, then come under with the high connecting O right into a looping down slant, pick up, and diagonal down to the left. Fox. Okay, let's do that together, but without the tracer. Here we go. The quick brown fox. Okay, now we're going to move down to jumps and over. Here we go. We have a ramp up J. So we're going to ramp up, pull down, turn left, go right up into the U, down and around, back up. And when we got 1 Humpty Dumpty, 2 Humpty Dumpty, 3 Humpty Dumpties for M, come up to the midline, straight down, pop up, make a circular motion, pull out underneath that circular motion, up to a point, make a raindrop, teardrop shape, and then go back under the S for its connector. Pick up and go back and dot the J. All right, now we're going to try on your own, and we can do this together. How did you do? Make sure you have those 3 humps for M and you dot your J. Now let's go over to the word over. Now we have a 2 o'clock, we have 2 high connectors and an R to end it. Let's go on the bass line, up and over to 2 o'clock, back around, up to 12 o'clock, under, up and down for the V, with a high connecting right into an E, up to the midline, down a little bit diagonally, curve in for that R. Okay, now let's do it together, but on our own. Nice job. All right, we are now ready for the last line where it says the lazy dog. The we've already done, but let's do it together. Ready? Bass line, all the way up to the top line, pull down, go up, turn left, looping back down to the bass line, hop up and make a hill to come down for the H, and then slant up and back around. Now cross your T, the. Now let's write it on our own together. Okay, good job. Now we're going to do lazy, and don't forget Z looks a little bit like a 3. And here we go. Bass line, up and turn left for L, right into A, which is a 2 o'clock, back around, down, up and turn once, twice, give it a tail, up and down into your Y, turn left, and there we have the word lazy. Okay, let's try that without the tracer. Here we go. And our very last word is dog. And D is also a 2 o'clock letter, but it's a 2 o'clock, back around, all the way up to the top line, back down. O is a 2 o'clock, back around, loop under. G is a 2 o'clock, back around, go down, and make its connector. Nice job. Now, without me, but on your own, I would like you to finish page 46. So it is exactly like we just did here. So on page 46, you're going to trace and then write, trace and then write. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, a pangram for handwriting practice. Good luck.
Congratulations on your powerful Pangram penmanship. If you haven't already worked on page 46, make sure you finish it at your own pace and keep practicing until each word in the Pangram feels just right. Remember, every time you practice, you grow your cursive abilities and confidence. Did you know that smart isn't something that you are? It's something that you grow. So keep writing, keep smiling, and we'll see you soon for more cursive fun.